What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video, and guys, in this video we're gonna test out some WISH shears. So let's get right to it. Alright guys, so like I said, in this video we're going to test out all the WISH shears that we got. If you didn't see the video of us buying the shears, go ahead and click the link up there. Go ahead and watch that first before you check these out. But if you've already seen that, you guys know that we've got a couple pair of standard shears, we got a couple pair of thinning shears, and in this video I'm going to try them all out, tell you guys what I think about them, pros and cons, and which ones are good and which ones are bad. So first up, let's do this Neochrome traditional 6-inch shear. Guys, there is no name brand on this, so I can't tell you guys what it is, but I will give you a hint. Stay away from the Neochrome. Let's see how this thing cuts. All right, so you guys are gonna see right off top, these started off, I felt like they were gonna be okay. You can see it's gonna fold some hair over and it will continue to do so. Definitely took a lot of tension to cut with these, so these are definitely not my favorite. You can see right there, it didn't even cut all the way clean, but they can get the job done, but definitely out of the three, guys, that's why we started with these. These are the worst, and you'll see what I mean coming up soon. They did do a little bit better on point cutting, but it takes a little bit too much effort just to cut blunt straight across, and they did not do the best job. You guys can see here when we do point cutting, these work a lot better. When we're just using the tip of the shears, didn't have near as much problem with them with that, but definitely for blunt cutting straight across, these definitely took some effort and didn't really cut that well. So you could use them for point cutting, but I'd rather have something that's going to work across the board. So these are at the bottom of the list. So as you guys can see, that shear right there was probably the worst of the three. We're gonna move on to the next two and you can see how much better they are. But next up we will do the rose gold. The brand on this one is XUANFENG if you guys are looking for it. Let's check it out. All right, these rose golds are definitely a step up from the last one. You can see it's gonna cut much easier. They did still take a little bit of effort to cut through the hair, but they did work better. So these are passable. Still not my favorite. They did come with a little bit of rust on them. They kind of look cool with the rose gold finish, but these are gonna take number 2 on this list. Next up, guys, last but not least, I'm actually gonna go ahead and tell you guys, this will be the one staying on my station as a backup. This is a black pair. The brand on it is Sharond, S-H-A-R-O-N-D. These are the black. I got the thinning shear to match, and we'll talk about that one in a minute. But anyway, guys, let's see how this thing cuts. These black shears you guys can see cutting with no effort. These are definitely the best, guys. Not much tension required, not much effort required to cut through all the hair. Like I said, when we were cutting blunt straight across with the other ones, they struggled a little bit. These definitely cut the best. I don't have any clips of point cutting, but they do point cutting just as good. And the thinning shears perform equally as good, so the black ones go to the top of the list. Alright, so I didn't give her any clips of the thinning shears in action, just not something I use a whole lot of, so I didn't have clips of all of them. These right here, guys, they match the performance of the initial 6-inch standard shear. This is the neochrome finish, and definitely, I think I said it on my buying video, these definitely look like the cheapest, so I definitely would say, if you guys are looking, don't buy these neochromes. Like I said, there's no logo on them, so I can't tell you guys a brand, but just stay away from this. What I would suggest is if you want to try a brand like the black ones, just look that brand up, pick the color that you want, and try it that way. But I would stay away from no logo, neochrome shears, or thinning shears. All right, next up is the traditional silver, regular looking thinning shear. This brand is also the same as the other one, guys. It is SHARONDS. Shearons. This is a 6-inch thinning shear. Again, like I said, not many clips of all these thinning shears. Like I said, I don't use thinning shears a lot on the daily, so unfortunately I didn't have a lot of clips, but I did use this one probably once. I just wasn't able to get enough clips. All right, guys, so last but not least, we got the all black, same brand, Shearons. It matches the 6-inch cutting shear that we cut with. Definitely the best was the black cutting shear, and guys, you won't be surprised, these are the best thinning shear. I'm definitely gonna keep the black shear and the black thinning shear on my station for backups. The black's kind of cool. Again, if you didn't see these being purchased on the website, click that cards link up above and go check that video out next. All right, so the winner of the Wish video is definitely the black Sharon's brand, SHARONDS. If you guys wanna check them out, go pull them up on Wish. I definitely would recommend these out of the ones that I got. These cut the best. You guys saw in the footage. Again, guys, I'm not going to tell you that Wish clippers or trimmers or shears are going to be better than what I use on the daily basis, but for something like 10 bucks, 15 bucks for these, they do cut hair. They don't work that bad, and like I said, I'm going to keep it for backups. But I just wanted to throw this out to you guys. I know it's fun for you to see me order stuff in from China, see what comes in, and check it out. But anyways, guys, these are the recommendations. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, guys, please hit that subscribe button. We're always looking to grow the channel. We just surpassed 13K not long ago, guys, but the sky's the limit. I'm looking to get to 100K. That's my next real major goal, right? So we're gonna move up. We're gonna go to 15 to 20. We're gonna keep moving. But 100K now is a realistic, I think, goal that I want to achieve. So like I said, if you're new and you like this content, please hit that subscribe button. I got plenty more content coming soon. Hit that thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, let me know what you thought, and I'll catch you guys next time.